welcome back to my channel. So today I am right in the middle of Uptown Charlotte visiting a home built by True Home, part of their Uptown collection. So guys, this home right behind me is listed for $785,000, but like I mentioned, it is right in the heart of Uptown. This is a 4-bedroom, 3 full bath, 2-car garage, and guess what guys, this home has a whole separate apartment in the backyard. So come on with me, let's go check out this home together. Okay, so look at the details on this door first of all. All right, so let's head on in, and immediately when you come in into this optional, well, it's not really optional, but it's a study area which can be used as an office. Right now it's being used as an office because obviously you can see the printer. And I love these 2 double doors. It just makes it feel so grand, like a grand entrance. And then as we walk over to the dining space, which is so lovely. I love these walls, these little accent walls. They just kind of bring more life and make it feel more modern and airy. And look, check out these chandeliers. How nice is that? And so if you look right to either one of my, to my left or my right, you see 2 entryways. Those 2 entryways will actually lead you to the kitchen, but we're gonna go this way to the kitchen. And so we are in this beautiful open concept kitchen with the center island and the 2 lights that I love. All stainless steel appliances, and it looks like this is laminate flooring throughout the house here. And I love the sink, kind of facing out. So, you can never be bored washing dishes, putting your dishes up, because you can kind of keep your eye out on what's going on out there. And so we are heading over here, right to our right, into the living area. So this living area, guys, it's already my favorite because guess what? Guess why? It has windows, lots of windows, 5 windows to be exact. How cool is that? If you've been following my channel for a while now, I kind of have an obsession with windows and natural light. So this is so nice. If I could live in a house, guys, just made of like glass and completely airy, I would, because I love the natural light in here. There's light literally penetrating from every corner. So now let's go check out, there's 1 bedroom down here, so let's go check that one out, and the bathroom along with it. And so we're actually gonna go here to my left, which brings us to this bathroom. This bathroom, I love the flooring here. The flooring kind of transitions. I don't know what kind of flooring this is actually. I think it's still laminate. It's still laminate, but I'm not sure what kind of laminate it is. It's just a different color, it looks like. So single sink and the walk-in tub. And this bedroom, it's so nice. It's really nice. It has the double door closet. How nice is that? And guys, I'm pretty sure this bed I think this bed is actually full, but this room could hold a queen size bed if needed to. Okay, so why don't we go upstairs and let's check out the other bedrooms upstairs. And I think, as I mentioned, this house has, guys, 4 bedrooms, 3 full baths, and a whole single bedroom apartment behind it. So let's check out the other 3 bedrooms upstairs. All right, so immediately when you walk up, it transitions into this loft area. And I kind of like the setup here where they have the double desk, because you can have it as a double workstation. If you have children, or maybe you and your spouse or whoever it is, you can share this living area. So this home has endless opportunities for work area, and so I love it. And so immediately here to my left, we transition into one of the bedrooms upstairs. Very nice size closet. All right, so let's go check out the rest So right to my left here will be, actually let's check out the bedroom first. Let's go check out this second bedroom here. And this bedroom is huge. I'm pretty sure you can fit a king size bed in this room. Although it doesn't have much furniture, but you just kind of see from the width and everything. The only downside I see in this bedroom is that it has only one window. For such a big space, I think there needs to be more natural light. But the closet size kind of makes up for it. Keyword kinda. So it's pretty nice. All right, let's go check out the bathroom and the other bedroom up here. So this bathroom up here is a double vanity sink. So this is the second bathroom now we've seen in this home. Walk-in shower, tile flooring up here. And let's go check out the laundry room. The laundry room is nice. Laminate dark wood flooring here. And here is an additional storage space. The only thing I don't like, guys, it's dark. It's dark in here. It's weird, but okay, so let's head over to the owner's suite. This owner's suite is lovely. I love the division, kind of like, you know, I guess business and pleasure, whatever, you know, sorry, Mom, if you're watching this video, but you know, we get right into it here. There's like a living space area here, and I love it because it kind of separates, you know, for example, you know, for some couples, they love to do the late night reading, working in the room. So you have this area of the room to do that and not necessarily let it entangle with your personal, intimate life. So I love that. You can even put a pull-out couch here so you can lay down and watch TV while in the comfort of your own bedroom. And then it transitions to where the magic happens. Just kidding. But it transitions here. I love this bed. I think this could actually fit, this space could fit a king size bed or a bigger bed if you wanted to. And then right over here, let's check out the bathroom here. So this is a double vanity sink. I love the countertop here. So this bathroom is actually a walk-in shower. And then this closet space is huge. It's pretty big enough, in my opinion, to be its own room. And I love that. I love every opportunity or every chance I can get to store my shoes. So I would definitely appreciate this closet. So now let's go outside and let's check out the patio area. So the patio is actually connected to the owner's suite. So imagine, you know, you're waking up and you just grab yourself and your partner a nice cup of coffee, and then you guys just come outside and you relax. How nice is this? Okay. And so guys, so now we've taken a tour of the main house. We're gonna go out back now and we're gonna check out, you know, I told you there's a whole other 1-bedroom apartment, which could be a great opportunity for Airbnb, or even if you had like guests, in-laws, whatever it is in the area, they can have their own private apartment over there. So let's go check it out. Come with me. Okay, so you may be wondering where we're going. We're going to check out the other apartment unit I told you about. So you can actually head there from the kitchen area. Oops, the door is locked. And actually guys, something I didn't mention is that the 2-car garage is actually attached to that building as well. Okay, so we are here, and immediately you come in here to your left to the 2-car garage. I've been told this is more of kind of like a 2.5 car actually, just because of how big it is and how spacious It is. It can definitely double as a storage unit. So let's go upstairs and check out the apartment itself. So this apartment, to me, because I'm just very business centric, if this was my space, guys, I would convert this into an Airbnb because your guests have private access to it. So when you come in, it comes into this kind of like open living area. Here you can put the TV on the wall wherever you wanted it. And then there's this nice dining space here. And there's a lot of natural light in here. And then we're transitioning here. So this is kind of one big room, right? So we're here in the kitchen area here with the dark wood appliances. The dark wood cabinets, not appliances, the black appliances. So very nice. And let's check out this bathroom. Look at this bathroom here. Walk-in shower. And this is laundry space. We probably need to do a stackable, like, you know, one of those stackable washer and dryer. And then here is the bedroom. I think the lights are kind of out in here, but it's a very nice bedroom. It's huge, in my opinion, actually. And then I love the size of the closet in here. So guys, all my investors that love to make money, this is actually a really great property because you can make money off of this apartment unit itself. And so that's kind of it here, guys. So remember, if you're looking to be right in the heart of Uptown Charlotte, this property is definitely for you. Because if you think about it, like the square footage, you're getting 2 units essentially for the price of 1. So the main unit that we toured is a 4-bedroom, 3 full baths, and it has, as you can see, it's huge, and it has so many space and so much area where you can just have fun and just be with your family. And then the second apartment unit, guys, you can make extra money on the side. Remember that, you know, the whole point of this, the whole point of my channel, the whole point of what I do is to kind of encourage you to think about how you can set yourself up for financial freedom. So this would definitely be a great investment. So if you're interested and you want to come and see this home, or if you love this video and you would love to put an offer in on this home, I want you to go ahead and reach out to me. You can find me on my social medias at Victoria BAO Realtor, or you can visit my website at www.victoriaao.costello.rei. Thanks guys, see you in the next video.